Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we're gonna have to fight with the music because this music is pretty loud. But they have some more of these keychains. So here's the fangs. Here's the skull. Here's Frankenstein. Here's this one. The ghost. And the knife. Some of the sleep shorts, the skeleton. The jack-o'-lantern. These are cute. They're holding the ghost tails, the bats, skeleton squad. Let's see. Let's go around this way. We did already look at the Wicked with the little viral bow. It's a new backpack. The Shrek. The other ones are here. Some slippers. They have black, pink, brown. Oh, and some more PJ pants. These are 7. Leopard, checkered, plaid. And I just grabbed this shirt because it has a ghost face color. And it's pink. I think this shirt is so cute. Let's see. Some more shirts over here. What's this one? Oh, they have it. No, not it. What, a clown? What do you see? That's not your size. You need to get a different size. You gotta get extra small. No, extra small. And kids if they have it. Oh, magical ghosts and crystal ball. And these, I remember making these. I used to make these with my aunt all the time. These are only $1. Riley, you want to make these? Here. Here. Oh, and these are so cute. I didn't do a video because there wasn't enough footage. But look, they have the pink, the pom-poms, the cherry, the bear, and the little bags. So they have pink, blue, white, and the black set. Some of the Stitch slippers, Stitch peanut bluey, some more sleep shorts. With these bags, these are 7. Yeah, they are going in with the music today. Oh, look at this one. It has a bow on it. This is so cute. And then they have some of the sweats with the tops and bottoms. They have the pink ghost face. They also have it in white. I saw it in another location. You saw all this stuff already. Oh, there's the white one. Look at the lips pillow. That's cute because they have the little lip foam. Those are cute. And pink. Little Debbie's cake pillow. Look at these stools. Look at these little trash cans.
This is mini.
Yep, so on top of your desk, little waste baskets. And these.
Oh look, cheetah with the 8 balls.
That's cute.
I made a painting of the 2 8 balls. One was pink, one was
And these mugs. And then oh, that one's cute. And then they have the door hanger still, the bear. Oh, look at these. These are lamps for 7. This reminds me of the tables my cousin was showing me. It's like a bear table. Those are cute. And the candle warmers. So they got candle warmers for $20. I don't think it's marble.
Well, some are like from the fake marble. There's this place where you can paint
bears. Should we get this for her?
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a bow.
Those glass.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna last too long. And it's a bow one. It's a seashell one. Hello, charm bracelet.
Charm bracelet.
Of course you do. And you have like, how many of those? Make
Thousands.
many moments.
Thousands and billions.
I guess that one is different. Let's see, the diamond painting. And then more diamond
I like
paintings.
bracelets.
She just got real excited about this stuff over here, so I guess I'll show you guys. Sabalicious. Sabla Squishies. Don't you have this one?
I have two at home. I have the duck and blue duck, and I have a waffle.
What are these? Some spheres. Are
Oh,
these
there's
spheres
squish balls.
squishes?
I want to get one. Look, wait, hold on, let me fill it. Where can we fill it at?
No finger. Alright, this trip has come to an end and it's Five Below. It was kind of short, quick, but we saw some cute things. Thank y'all for clicking, shopping, browsing, and cruising with me, Shanice. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the description for more information, and I'll see y'all in the next one.